Good morning, teacher. My name is María Carolina Mercado Ordóñez. Reading my day saying, "Un de more verbos in back." Y possibly down John will visit Spain next year. John could visit Spain next year. So, I am thinking about talking English lesson. I might talk English lesson. I am sure they home, be home. Well, must. They must be house be no. James definite is a jet scan. James can be jet. It's possible they where we be so tomorrow. Me. We, the where we may be so tomorrow. I am sure that Mr. Smith left home cannot. Mr. Smith can have left home. Expect she goes to start with her mother. Me. She may have got to stay with me, her mother. We suppose that Mr. Smith committed a crime. Mr. Smith I may have committed a crime. In certain time a bird is something in the garden. Must have viewed some guy in the garden. He mowed the lotter go. He go have mowed the lotter. I should have bought another car must. He must have about another car. Paper Smith mother is with me. Mr. Smith we have more is with. And so she's at home. She must be at home. I can't time is not Janet. She is America cannot. She cannot be how she is America. And so she did I super must. She must is a super. I bet I love she is cow moose. I must love she is cow. There was bully next car. I am certain they have a lot more moose. They must have a lot more. They are what's bullying the car. I sure is not a teacher. He's too their scan. I can't be a teacher. She is haste to way to wear dress. You are achieved. I should start interest house most. Are you achieved? In sure in must be an interest house. I should you are not sense. I can't go to hockey. I am sure are you not say I know you must be. Thank you.